Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about homework 3 question 2. So the question 2 is given that x is uniform in the range of a to b and also y equals to x squared. And question A is to find the fx and capital Fx and draw the fx and capital Fx. So the first, since x is uniform in a to b, so we can easily get that fx equals to 1 divided by b minus a from when the x is from a to b, and otherwise will be 0. And also the next we need to capital Fx. So capital Fx, when x smaller than a, the capital Fx will equals to 0. And when the x is from a to b, the capital X will be equals to a. B minus a. And this way we can find that like this way. So when x is from a to b will be x minus a divided by b minus a. And next, so when the x was larger than b, when x larger than b, so capital Fx will equals to 1. And now let's draw the picture of Fx. So since it's uniform, so the Fx will be simple like that. B, and this line will equals to 1 minus 1 divided by b minus a. And for the capital Fx, it's from a to b, and this line will equals to 1. And now let's move on to the question B. So question B is asked, now we have a equals to minus 1, b equals to 3. Find and draw the fy and capital Fy, and also find the ey. And for the question B, we also have y equals to x squared, right? And so we have Fy equals to 0 when y is smaller than 0 or y larger than 9. And when y from 0 to 1, we have two roots. X equals to these two roots. And now we can get that Fy equals to x1 1 plus fx x2 is 2, and we can get that, and we can find that Fy will equals to 1 divided by 4 square root y. And now when y is from 1 to 9, there's only one root, so we will get Fy equals to Fx by x, or just 1 divided by a times square root y. And now in this way we can have that fy equals to 1 divided by 4 times square root y when the y is from 0 to 1, and also fy equals to 1 divided by 8 times square root y when y is from 1 to 9, and otherwise will be 0. Okay, and from the fy we can find that capital Fy equals to 0 y smaller than 0, and half square root y when y is from 0 to 1, and 1/4 when y is from 1 to 9, and 1 when 9 smaller than y. Okay, and next we'll find the equation of fy, y equals to 1 divided by 4 times square root y, and uy minus 1, and plus 1 square uy minus 1 minus 9. And the capital Y, from here we can get minus u minus 1 plus 1/4 plus y plus 1 times uy minus 1 minus uy minus 9. Okay, now let's draw the fy and the capital Fy. So the first fy will be looks like that, and then that. So this part is here, and over here is 1/4, and over here is 1/8, and this line will equals to like that, and this line's equation will be looks like 1 divided by 8 times square root y, and this is 9, and this part will be 1, and that's the fy. And now let's look at the capital Fy. Capital Fy will be looks like on this part, and then this part, it goes to flat, and this part equals to 1, and this part is half, and over here is 1, and over here is 9, and the rest is flat. Okay, and the line for this equation is, and for this part is, okay. Now let's move on to the uy. So from the definition we can find that y equals to like y minus square root y uy plus 1/8 dy. And now we need to solve this equation. First do this part, we'll find that 1/8, and over here will be looks like dy, right? And next, to solve the equation, to from 1 to 0, and this will be like 1, And now we can get the first part equals to 1, 6, and the next part is 7 minus 1. And now we can find the EY will equals to 7 divided by 3. And thank you for watching.